Well, welcome to Try It Out Tuesday, where I'm going to be featuring sometimes sponsored products or products I'm just enthusiastic about, but we're isolating those down to just one day of the week. That way, if you're not interested, you can just move on to the next video. So enjoy Try It Out Tuesday.
Linda, remember to tell them about the discount code.
Yes, hang on to the end of the video because we're going to put up my special discount code where you will get a great deal on these HISEA boots. So on today's Try It Out Tuesday, I am here with Carrie, my creative coordinator, and we are reviewing a product that you guys know I am already very, very enthusiastic about, and that is the boot line. And actually they have just different kinds of footwear called HISEA, H-I-S-E-A. I have waxed episodic about these because I just love them so much. And one of the reasons I love them, first of all, their price point is unbelievable. So if you want the look of really expensive boots, Carrie, wouldn't you agree?
I agree. I think they're made really well and they're so cute.
Yeah, they're just adorable. Yours kind of remind me of Uggs, but let me talk a little bit more about some of the features that I love. I love the fact you all have seen these boots many, many times. I use these when I'm working in the garden. I think they're very, very cute, but I love them because you can get in and out of them so easily. You don't even have to touch them. So if they're rain boots or you're mucking around in the garden, you don't even have to bend over this, which I find just absolutely wonderful. Now I've got on a new pair. These are so cute that I probably will not be wearing these out in the garden. I think they just look so cute with this outfit. And these are kind of that patent leather look. And right. You can get these, wouldn't these be cute in red? Or,
I think so, and there's a red plaid too, that's really cute.
Oh, there's a red plaid. I think these are adorable. So these I would wear more après gardening with outfits and things like that. Right. Show us your boots. Aren't those cute? Okay, can you get in and out of yours?
Yeah, I can just slip in and out of them really easily.
Okay, let's show them the interior because the lining sometimes
is so cute.
It's so cute.
So I guess you could roll them down if you wanted them to be like a shorter.
Oh wow.
A shorter boot.
Aren't those cute?
That's a different shoe.
Yeah.
And when we say they're comfy, these are like house shoe comfy. They're so comfortable. But they also have other boots in their line that are a little dressier. And again, can I just say the price point is unbelievable.
Right.
They're like anywhere from $30 to $60 depending on which pair you get. These faux leather cowboy boots I think are just really wonderful. And speaking of lining, look at this. Every attention to detail. And what I love about them is they're just so well made. So like there's no strings or anything that come off of the stitch work. And these, I think, are just really, really cute and would look darling. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. She's not only my creative coordinator, but she is my ladies' maid. But these are darling, and I think would be really, really cute with kind of that prairie skirt.
Right. Or a flowery dress.
Yeah, a flowery dress, or even with leggings.
Yeah.
I think would be really, really cute. And the other thing that you were saying, well, you put it into words.
My favorite part about them is that they're soft at the top because so many boots hit your leg and it's kind of painful. And so you can wear them with shorts and not have to worry about them like making your legs sore.
Yeah, and the other thing I like about these, this is the perfect kind of boot that you can keep by your back door that you just slip on and off if you're gonna like go just to get the paper in the morning or something. Like I say, that you could practically wear them as house shoes. They are that comfortable. But they come in different styles, different patterns. I think I need the red or the yellow pair. Like, wouldn't the yellow or the red patent leather pair look adorable with her shorts? And that's the other thing. They look cute not only with, like I've got on overalls, but they look cute with skirts.
Right.
I've seen you wear them with leggings, which is really cute, and skinny jeans. But they also look adorable with her shorts. And then they've got, for the winter time, these I consider to be my snow boots. And the colors are just so fun and vibrant. Look at that.
And Linda, you were wearing these before you even...
Oh yeah, thank you. I should point that out, that I have worn HISEA boots for forever. And I just was so enthusiastic about them that HISEA contacted me to do you know, a sponsorship for them, and I'm so thrilled to do that. And we have a special coupon code,
Right.
with a special link where you guys can get a special discount if you go to their site through me. So anything else we need to point out about these wonderful, wonderful boots?
I don't think so.
Okay, look at these. Let's close, and I will put on this pair. I'm standing on an incline, you guys, which is why I need help. But these are, I wear these in the snow. So I love it because they're rugged on the bottom and they're soft on top. And Carrie pointed out that you really, what did you say about the bottoms of them, Carrie?
They look like they have good traction, so yeah, I think they would be good, like on slippery surfaces or in the snow.
Yeah, and just a little pointer. I typically wear like a 7.5, so I typically order size 8. So you guys definitely go to this link, check them out, and you will not be disappointed. And if you buy some, let me know which variety, which style you got, because I'll be curious. If I don't have that style, I might need it in the future. So there you go. That is our Try It Out Tuesday.